Hi, I'm Scott, and I'd like to read you a book. Shark vs. Train by Chris Barton and Tom Lichtenheld. Grr, chugger, chug. I'm going to chew you up and spit you out. Ha! I'm going to finish you, mackerel breath. Who will win? Shark versus train. Well, that depends on if they're in the ocean. How's that furnace working for you? Or on the railroad tracks, can we make it 2 out of 3? If they're on a seesaw, or in hot air balloons, loose caboose. Roasting marshmallows, eating pies, I could go for some coal. Or having a burping contest, It depends on whether they're bowling. That counts as a strike, right? This is why you guys have a bad reputation. Shooting baskets, foul. He's crushing me too. Or going off the high dive. Running lemonade stands. I have more. I've got plenty. What do you mean? It's a little watery. Trick-or-treating. The clown is very hungry. We're giving rides at a carnival. It can depend on who gets to pick first. Let's see which one. Who names the game? And who deals the cards? I believe these cards are marked. Go fish. But who wins if they're playing hide and seek or trying not to get shushed? Performing in a piano recital. Sorry, the sound of the sea always gives me the munchies. I guess I hit that last note a little hard. Or playing extreme zombie squirrel motocross. Sure would help if we had thumbs. Yep. Exploring distant galaxies. We need to find some train tracks. I have a bad feeling about this. Or sword fighting on a tightrope. Sword fight? I thought we were having swordfish. Couldn't we do this on a bridge or in a depot? I'll just wait here. Or, okay, this is getting ridiculous. Now would be a good time for a break. Boys, lunch. Next time you're history soot spewer. Next time you're sunk, squid slurper. End of the line.